Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2003 two-stroke 150 Suzuki 25-inch. Comes with the controls. It's got a flush mount control box. It has a trim gauge and then like a multi-function gauge for oil, heat, water, stuff like that. Great running Minnesota motor, fresh water. Again, it's 25-inch and it's a two-stroke. We get a lot of questions asked about, is it two-stroke, four-stroke? It is a two-stroke. It is oil injected. Has the compartment on the top up here to add your oil. It's got a massive jug, as you'll see in the pictures. I think it holds like 2.5 gallons of oil, so it's good for a long time. New water pump, fresh plugs, fresh tune-up. It's good to go. We'll fire it up here and run it for you. And you also have the remote key switch and buzzer and all that. Pump of good water. It is a two-stroke. It's going to smoke pretty good in this tank. Let it warm up a little bit. Trim and tilt works. Find the switch. Neutral. Try and let her warm up here a little bit. A little cold here in Minnesota. Neutral. You see it drains our tank out real quick. Again. Off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.